Hello and welcome. Today we are going to see how to make a new project in Android Studio. First, click on the Android Studio icon and wait for it to open. If this is your first time creating a new project, the New Project button is almost in the middle. Click the New Project button. This window will pop up. In this window, I will select Empty Views Activity. You can choose any other. Click Next. In this field, you can choose the name of your app. In this field, you can choose the name of your package. In the next field, you can choose the location of your project. You can leave it as default. In this field, you can choose the language of your project. In the Minimum SDK field, you can choose the API and minimum Android version. In the end, click Finish. Wait for it to build your project. This might take a while. Here you can edit the coding. For seeing the imports, you need to click on the three dots after the import word. Click the tab in the top left corner of the code to see the view of your app. In here, you can move around objects. And you can drag and drop objects. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Have a great time and good luck.